Hi guys, today we are going to look at dental problems, gum problems, bleeding gums in our health problems and natural remedies. So this is how it follows: list of concoctions first, then diet plan with millets, and how to brush your teeth, and last one is what to avoid. What to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, Phenoix sylvestris leaves. Okay, take two to three leaves to make concoction. Okay. Next, tamarind tree leaves, take one bunch to make concoction, or otherwise 35 to 40 leaves. Okay. Indian beech, take 3 to 4 leaves to make concoction. Next one is organic turmeric powder. Okay. If you do not get organic turmeric powder, you can take turmeric stick. Okay. If you are taking turmeric stick, you just need to make it into pieces, small pieces. Okay. Take a small piece and make that one into small pieces. Okay, by grinding, and then you can make concoction. Okay, if you are using turmeric powder, take half spoon to make concoction. Next one is sacred fig leaves. Okay, take 3 leaves to make concoction. This is the plan for concoction. First week you will take Phoenix sylvestris leaves. Second week tamarind leaves. Third week Indian beech leaves. Fourth week organic turmeric powder or turmeric stick. Fifth week maple leaves or sacred fig leaves. Okay, if you do not find any one of the above, you can still continue with the remaining concoctions. Okay, and you need to have 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between concoction and the next meal. On empty stomach you have to drink concoction. Okay, and after the 45 minutes or after 1 hour you will have your millet meal. Okay, one more important thing is empty stomach means you can consume water if you want. Okay, if you woke up at 6 a.m, if you are drinking 1 liter of water, wait till 1 hour, that means at 7 a.m you can have concoction. If you are drinking 1.5 liter of water, then wait till 1.5 hour, that means at 7:30 you can have concoction, like that. So next, diet plan with millets. Kodo millet for 3 days. Okay, if you are having 3 meals per day, eat all the meals with kodo millets only. If you are having only 2 meals, eat those 2 meals with kodo millet. Okay, next little millets 3 days, barnyard millet 1 day, foxtail millet 1 day, brown top millet 1 day. Okay, you can have all curries in any curry you want. Okay, but in place of rice, you have to replace rice with millets. Okay, so this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternately for this 9-day schedule. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Okay, either for consumption or for cooking. How to cook millets? There are two ways essentially. One is cooking it like rice. Second one, making millet porridge. Cooking it like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Okay, cook it either on open top or in a pressure cooker, and avoid pressure cooking if you have enough time to cook. Making millet porridge. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. If you want to make it more watery, okay, liquid kind of thing, you can have 10 glasses of water also. Okay, soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, tie the top using cotton cloth. Once it is cool it down. Okay, keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then have it. Okay, if it is summer, you can have it after 6 to 7 hours. Okay, that time is sufficient for it to get fermented. Brushing the teeth. How to do the brushing? Stop using a plastic toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, clean your teeth by gently massaging your teeth and gums using active charcoal powder. Okay, foods to avoid: milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery. Okay, In place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay. And for the concoctions also, if you cannot drink kashaya or concoction as it is, you can mix palm jaggery in it. Okay. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder also you shouldn't consume. You shouldn't have tea, coffee. You shouldn't consume all bakery products or polished millets or refined millets. Millets also you have to take whole grain, not polished. Non-vegetarian food you have to avoid. Cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Now you will be looking at how to make a concoction. Okay. Take 200 to 300 ml of water. Okay, let it get boiled up first. Okay, once it get boiled up, then you have to add leaves. Okay, Indian beech leaves. Yeah, it got boiled up, right? 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 depending upon the size of the leaf. Okay, take that color leaf, yellow color leaves, then it will be tasty. You need not require any uh, palm jaggery to consume. Okay, let it get boiled up for again 3 minutes. Okay, so it got boiled up. You have to keep it for again 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, then you have to filter it to have concoction. Okay, better to take tender leaves. Okay, yellow color. And also one more important thing is you have to boil the water in a very low flame. Okay, everything has to be done in low flame. Okay, just now it got boiled up. I am keeping it aside for 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes is over. Okay, we are now going to filter it out. Okay, oh, it's little bit hard. Okay, like this, using a filter. Okay, I suggest you to use a separate filter for this. Okay, not tea filter. Okay, yeah, that's it. You're almost done. Fine. Okay, now you can drink it. You can have it uh, using a spoon. Okay, preferably using a spoon. Okay. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.